Walai. Ai.
Hapa tushamaliza kazi, bao ndio hiyo.
Kazi imeisha.
Sasa waziri akuja aongee go home.
So this is very exciting, but to say this is the only way to the top, there is no other way. There is no shortcut, there is no magic. The only way to the top is to invest in a robust, deliberate, intentional, structured youth development program with that pipeline going all the way to the grassroots.
It's a big change for us. And I can only say that let's support them, let's give them support they want. Let's keep doing the job. Doing it once is not enough. You have to do it every time there's a window. In June we do it again. We do it again in September like that. And then we can see the results thereafter.